Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking the bathroom renovation. This will be part 1 in a 2 or 3 part series. So I wanted to show you guys what our plans were. It's just a really small bathroom. Kind of looked like it maybe had been updated 5 years ago, 10 years ago. We really wanted to do something from scratch. It measured 1.8 meters wide by about 2.6 meters long. And yeah, it was a very basic bathroom. So our plan was to extend it, to make it a little bit bigger because it was quite small in there. And when you look at the floor plan, there was sort of a wasted space in the hallway. There was just this little linen cupboard and a void that led to the third bedroom. So our idea was to pull that wall forward, maybe another 800 mil, 900 mil, give that extra space to the bathroom and move the door around to the hallway. We're just going to remove the linen cupboard, put the linen cupboard in the laundry when that is built, and give ourselves a couple of extra square meters in the bathroom. With the bathroom window, we've ripped out the old aluminium window, put in a new casement window, which is also aluminium. Actually made it a bit smaller than the original window. I just didn't want to have to fuck around with any of the framing or anything. I just wanted to take one out, put one back in, and we're done. I took to SketchUp, measured the room out, and did a top-down view so we could figure out the layout that we wanted this bathroom to be. We were going back and forth for ages, as we always do, but we landed on this configuration, which basically leaves the whole right side of the bathroom open, completely open. There's going to be nothing on that wall. And on the left-hand side is where everything is going to be. Now, as for any project, it's always good to get a mood board put together of what you want the space to look like. We were browsing Pinterest and we landed on this Microcement look, which is this super seamless, super minimalistic bathroom finish. It's not just a bathroom finish, you can use it anywhere, but no grout joints, just one continuous coat on the walls and the floors. Now the demo started, the boys stripped my bathroom while I was away doing a 3-day microcement course. So instead of using tiles, we're doing microcement on everything. There's not going to be one tile in this bathroom. Following week I got back, we started framing up, cutting out the existing timber floors. We also decided to build the wall out 90 mil in front of the existing wall. This is an old house from like the 60s or thereabouts, and all the walls are an absolute mess. So I decided to step a wall out. So the wall that the toilet, the vanity, the shower screen, the shower is on is going to be nice and plumb, nice and straight. None of those 1960s hardwood walls which like are just all over the shop. And by doing this, we could also create a niche which wouldn't affect the structural integrity of that existing wall. Basically want to have a niche here where you can put your beer, your shampoo bottle when you're having a shower. You can't just cut a niche of that size into a stud wall, without some major work, but we've come in front of it. Yeah, best of both worlds. We got a nice straight plumb wall, and we also got a structurally sound room with a really cool little shower niche. So we've had the sparkies in to rough in, we've had the plumbers in to rough in. The walls can now be sheeted, we can now waterproof, screed the floors. Now the tricky part with this floor is that it transitions from fiber cement sheeting on this section onto the old concrete slab. So the reason that's difficult is because you have two different surfaces that are meeting. So we've got a concrete slab and then we've got lightweight construction like timber, FC sheeting. They're gonna meet. And the problem with that is that they're gonna move at different times, which can cause cracking. This is the type of trowel you want to use, and that coat is about 80% dry. One more coat, really start working it with the trowel.